At isa lang yan. Parang
hi guys, we're here at Romantic Baboy, here again at SM Fairview. Nasubukan namin before, but we'll try to eat again. And we're going to show you ulit kung ano mga pagkain na dito. Ayan, ito yung kanilang store dito, yung kanilang restaurant dito. So today is Sunday, July 29. So, update ko kayo dito sa Romantic Baboy SM Fairview branch. So now, we're here na. Na-prepare na ating table. Ito yung mga in-order namin initially. So, ito yung kanilang chicken, spicy beef. This one is the chicken. This is the shrimp. And that is the plain pork at plain beef. Ito yung kanilang sauces. 1, 2, 3, 4. They have the cheese, kimchi, radish. They have the coleslaw, the fish cake. They have the japchae. So marami silang side dish. They have the sweet potato. They have this vegetable. And they have the lettuce. Ayan, subukan na natin mag-grill. Nandun pala yung egg. And lagay natin yung cheese dito. Medyo malakas lang yung music nila dito. Tayo maka-copyright, no? Anyway, so yan, start na tayong mag-grill. So yan, so far guys, yung mga pagkain lang ngayon, no? And dito sa SM Fairview, ito yung second time namin. So, bukan uli natin, no? Pakita ko lang sa inyo. So ayan guys, hintayin nating maluto muna, no, yung mga karne. So while waiting, ayuin natin tong coleslaw sa mga favorites natin dito. Ayan. So guys, okay naman so far yung mga no, food. Kimchi nila masarap din. Yung kanilang coleslaw. Ito yung kimchi guys. Yan.
Hello, cheese?
Sarap yung kimchi nila. Subukan natin yung egg. Medyo malasado lang siya. Good for low carb. Let's try. Sarap yung egg nila dito. Actually, masarap naman lahat.
At isa lang yan. Parang
so ayan guys, almost cooked na. Pero konti pa, hintayin pa natin. Kain muna tayo ng egg while waiting. Guys, yung beef, let's try it. Let's put cheese. Let's dip in the cheese. Ayan, tsaka lagyan natin ng kimchi. Ayan, and of course, let's try. Basta watch nyo lang guys yung carb intake. Kasi may mga carbs na to eh. Kaya hindi na kami kumain ng kanin. So, nag-minimize din natin yung mga marinated. Or plain na lang yung orderin natin later on. Try pa natin yung isa na beef. This is plain beef lang to guys. Lagyan natin ng cheese.
Pero kaya dito?
Meron yan. Yan. Lagyan natin ng gulay. Ito siya. And let's try. We'll try the spicy. Ang problem lang kasi spicy nila may mga asukal to eh. Pero mamaya focus na lang ako dun sa plain beef. So ito yung kanilang spicy. Lagyan natin ng konting cheese. Yan. And haluan din natin ng kimchi. Lagyan natin ng kimchi. Yan. And let's try. Medyo sweet lang talaga. Later on try natin yung shrimp naman. Ito yung shrimp nila. Maglagay naman tayo sa lettuce. Coleslaw yan. Okay, lagyan natin ng lettuce. Okay. Tapos, kuha tayo ng meat. Lagyan natin ng konting sauce. And put it here. And let's try it. Balot natin. At natin na kainin. Let's try yung radish pala. Radish. So yan guys, enjoy lang natin ng low carb. So how's the food so far?
Good.
Okay. Enjoying it. Yung egg nila masarap din guys. By the way, dito sa SM Fairview, cash lang ina-accept nila dito. Hindi wala silang card or Gcash. If you happen to visit here, kailangan may dala kayong cash. This is their cheesy scallops, guys. So, nakalagay siya sa cheese. So, let's put it here. And we'll eat more shrimp. Guys, ito yung kanilang scallops. So, yan. Ito natin dito. Actually, sa mga pagkain nila dito, lahat naman masarap. Pero hindi ko lang gusto talaga yung scallop nila dito. Hindi ganun ka-fabulous. Pero, ano naman din. Now there's also protein. Sumo. So yan guys, patapos na kaming kumain ngayon dito sa Romantic Baboy. And we have enjoyed, no, yung pagkain na dito. So again, this is 549. So yung punta dito to sa may SM level 2, no, ng SM Purview. And don't forget to bring cash kasi cash lang ang tinatanggap nila dito. So yun guys, thanks for watching. See you on our next vlog. So kami na tayo ulit guys. See you and bye bye. Tapusin namin yung vlog dito.